Stupid bird review. Ding 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 ding. So this time we have a very special bird review today. We have the new design northern cardinal, which as you probably know by now is Carl the Cardinal. So yeah, pretty cool. So here's my three Carls. Hi, I'm Carl. Hey, I'm Carl. Hi, I'm Carl. So, this one is the only one that works out of these, out of mine. Uh, these two are from 2018, and I'm not sure what year this one is, but the new design Northern Cardinal was released in 2014. And I'd give it a 10 out of 10 just because of how iconic it is for me, at least. So they have black faces here and brown eyes. Little pattern on the tail. And this is the only one that works. The other ones don't. I don't know. I think this one, I don't know how they stopped, but they stopped. So, really cool bird. I'm pretty a big fan of this one. It's pretty good. Mine aren't in the best condition, but this one's probably the best condition of them all, and still, it's not great condition. Hi, I'm Carl the Cardinal. Does Bimbo know I exist? I don't believe he does. So, Carl, what can you do for us? How about you sing us a song? Could you sing us a song, Carl? Oh, sure. Steamboat Bill, steaming down the Mississippi. Steamboat Bill, a mighty man was he. Steamboat Bill, steaming down the Mississippi, gonna beat the record of the Robert E. Lee. Yeah!